Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my channel again. So this is another video about BNB Miner. Guys, BNB Miner is doing great and it is the oldest miner. Guys, if you're not in BNB Miner, I don't know where you're putting your BNB to grow. Actually don't know, because this thing has paid for over 556 days and it is still going strong. So in this video, it is just an update video. I just want to show you the progress of BNB Miner, and as you can see, they are saying that the third wave is incoming. You have to ride it. So the question is, are you ready to ride the third wave with BNB Miner? That is the question that you need to ask yourself. So if you've missed BNB Miner from the beginning, I just want to let you know that it is never too late in BNB Miner. We had the first cycle, we had the second cycle, and all I can tell you now is that we are gonna have the third cycle. So that's what I'm gonna talk about in this video. So you just have to hold on and watch the video till the end, so that you have to see and hear what I have to say about BNB Miner. So guys, before jumping into the video, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos of the projects that I do every day in my crypto world. So guys, this is BNB Miner. As you can see, I've just cycled a few minutes before I jumped into this video, and this is the contract balance. From what I can see here, the contract balance has increased. I'm gonna show you that. So if we are to go to the contract address here, you can see this is the first cycle that we had, and people who came in here, they rolled in and then they took out the profits. And then this is the accumulation phase for the second cycle. Then we had the second cycle, and now we are here. So this is why I'm asking whether this is the third cycle. Has it begun, or we are going into the third cycle? So if we are to look at Monarch here, this one, it tracks the crypto. It tracks the trading crypto tools on Binance Smart Chain. We can locate BNB Miner. Now, my focus is on BNB Miner here alone, because that's what I have to talk about in this video. We can see that we are having, it has turned gray. All along, it was yellow like all these others, but we can see that it has turned green, and you can see that in 24 hours time, we have been able to grow from 3,216 BNB to 3,233 BNB. That is just in 24 hours alone. So in 7 days, you can see that the contract balance has grown from 3,173 BNB to 3,233 BNB. So the question is, has the third cycle begun? Now, I can't tell you that because I don't know, but what I can tell you that we have turned from yellow to green, which is a positive sign. And if you are not yet here, or if you are not hyper compounding, I need you guys to start hyper compounding so that you can grow your number of miners. This is the essence of this platform. All you need to do is grow this number of miners, and it means that the more miners that you have, that is the more rewards you'll be able to generate from the BNB Miner. So if we are to look at this, guys, all I can tell you that BNB Miner has passed through a phase, this accumulation phase, which I call the accumulation phase. And very many people, they lost trust in the miner, they took out their profits. But for us who believe in the miner, we kept compounding and we rode this cycle as well. So now people, they took out their profits, as you can see here. Now it reached this point where the contract had 800 28,508 BNB in the contract. Oh, sorry guys, that is, it had 3,136 BNB in the contract, and we can see that it has grown, it has grown. So now it is at 3,214 BNB as we speak in this video. So now there is a Telegram group here where these guys are so helpful. I haven't found a community that is so helpful like the BNB Miner community. As you can see here, they are telling us that prepare now for the third cycle, and in my point of view, I can see that the third cycle has already started. So this was the first cycle, and this is the accumulation phase for the second cycle. We had the second cycle, and now we are here. So guys, everything in BNB Miner looks great, and all you have to do is you can get started from as low as 0.1 BNB. I would recommend that. That BNB should be on the Binance Smart Chain, and it should be in your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. And you get a link from a sponsor, you paste it in your wallet browser, then you go to, you get started. So you put in the amount of BNB you want to put to get started. Here you see the number of miners that you can hire, and then you click. So all those videos, tutorial videos, I'm gonna put them in the description of this video. Feel free to check them out and get started in BNB Miner. So guys, we are getting started in the third cycle of the BNB Miner, and all you can do, guys, is you have to hyper compound, and you catch the lightning rounds. So as you can see, which other project gives you 50% back each time the BNB is added to my wallet. It is a pleasant surprise. So there are lots of rewards that you can get from this community, and as you can see, this is round 338. So the developers of this project, is a way they motivate people or the investors who are in this project, which is a very good thing. No other project does that. And there are other testimonies in this. As you can see, this person has been in for 6 weeks and started just 0.25 BNB, and he has grown it to 0.7 BNB, which is a very good thing. So guys, if in case you have anything or any comment about BNB Miner, just put it in the comment section, and I'll be able to reach out to you, and maybe we sort it out. If you're confused of anything on how to get started, you can hit me up on my social media handles. They're in the description of the video. I'll be helpful in getting you started. So guys, that's it about BNB Miner. So the third cycle is here. You just have to ride it and enjoy with BNB Miner. It is the oldest miner. As you can see, it has run for 556 freaking days. No miner has done that on the BNB network, and this is why I have trust in BNB Miner, and I do believe that we are gonna have a wonderful third cycle in BNB Miner. So guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next update video. Join the Telegram group for BNB Miner so that you can be updated on anything that those guys have for us. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next update video.